Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add other emails in Mailerlite on campaign. So first of all, go to Mailerlite and then to add the emails of other people, what you need to do is pick them, add them as your subscribers. So just go to subscribers here at the left and then just click on add subscribers here at the top right. Now if you are going to add multiple subscribers, you just need to drag your file here and then import them, import your subscribers. Now if you want to add a single subscriber, click on add single subscriber here and then just type in their email and click on add subscriber. For example, I have already done that. Just click on subscribers again. Now let's say I have multiple subscribers. So once you have added all of your subscribers, all of the email of other people, what you can do now is just go to campaigns. You can either create a campaign or just open one of your draft campaign. Just click on edit. From here, you just need to click on edit here under recipients and then you just need to toggle the all active subscribers option here to add the all the emails of other people. Then just click on save. From here you can either send it now or send it later, and that's pretty much it. So that's how to add other emails in Mailerlite on campaign. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.